Today, I'm going to show you guys my take on how to make the Flying Dutchman burger. This burger has been going around my social media and I'm like, I have to make this. It looks juicy, it looks flavorful, and I love burgers. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Be sure to like this video, subscribe if you're new, and let's dive in. We're going to start by making the sauce. So I have all the ingredients here. In a bowl, you are going to combine some mayonnaise. I'll leave all the measurement down below. Oof, it's okay. Also, we're going to add a little bit of ketchup. You want a nice balance of the ketchup. You want more mayo than ketchup. I have some Worcestershire sauce here that I'm going to pour in, about a teaspoon. We have a little bit of apple cider vinegar, about half a teaspoon. I have some mustard, a teaspoon. I have some sugar here. I'm going to sprinkle it, so you can add this gradually to your liking. And also we have some sweet relish, okay? Pour that water out and pour that in. Mix it up. I'm going to give that a mix just like so. And also I have some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and ground black pepper that I'm going to add in, just a pinch of that in there. Give it a mix just like this and you have your sauce. And of course you gotta taste it to your liking. So, perfect. So we're going to cover this, set it aside for now. All right, we're going to start with one big ol' onion, okay? Yellow onion is best for this recipe. So I am going to peel the onion, cut the top part and also the bottom. All right, once you're done peeling your onion, it should look something like this. I have a bowl of water here because I'm starting to tear up a little bit. So we're going to cut the onion very thick. This is what's going to be the bun for the burger. So we are going to cut it like this. The bun gotta be thick, okay? So maybe like this. Perfect, something like this. Woo! I don't think that water's helping because I'm crying already. So we're gonna cut another one. Perfect. This is our bun. Once you have your onion nice and cut, here's what you're going to do. You're going to drizzle some olive oil on the onion. Just like this. Flip it over. Drizzle some more. We are going to season it with the same seasoning: salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and some ground black pepper very lightly. And also, we're going to be adding some sugar to this as well. That's what's going to kind of caramelize the onion even faster. So add a little bit of sugar on each side. Flip over. Season very lightly. This is going to be so delicious, okay? A little bit of sugar to caramelize the onion, and we're going to set that aside. Set that aside. We're about to make the burger. I am going to form like a 3-ounce ball. This is 80-20 ground beef, by the way. So I'm going to form a ball just like this, maybe like a size of a baseball, something like this. I'm trying to go with the same size here. Now, I want to ask you guys a question. How do you like your burger to cook? You like it well done, medium well, or, you know, let me know down below. I like it medium well. I don't like it with all the red juice, but if you do, let me know down below. Once you have your patty nice and formed, you are going to season it. I'm going to use the same seasoning we've been using. I'm going to slightly sprinkle it all over my beef patty. We're going to flip it over. Let's rub that in. quick. Flip over like that. And then we're going to sprinkle it again on the other side, just like this. Give that a quick rub, you know, make sure it's actually stuck on there. And then we are going to cook the burgers. Perfect. I have my apron on because this is going to be a dirty one, okay? So I have my cast iron heating up already. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on here, and then we're going to caramelize our onion. Going to place it right in there, just like this. And we're going to let that get nice and golden brown. Okay, so this should take a minute. All right, guys, time to flip the onions. Going to, ooh, I was gonna say carefully, but that was not so careful. Now we flip this one over. We are going to flip the other one carefully, okay, this time. Carefully flip it over. Looks good. Just press it down so you can get that nice golden color on it. All right, guys, it's time to take my caramelized onion out. As you can see, they're looking nice and beautiful and caramelized. There you go. We got a little bit of paper plate action going on, but they look good. They look good. We're going to set that aside for now. It's time to cook the burger. I am going to be using the same cast iron. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on here. Just place it in there just like that and allow your burger to start cooking. All right, time to flip the burger over just like this. We're looking for a nice juicy medium well burger right here, okay? I decided to cook the other one right now so we don't have to wait. So we're gonna let this get nice and golden brown. It's time to flip this one over just like that. Beautiful, that's what we want. I'm going to add a little bit of water on here just so I can help it cook faster. Cover it. This is basically for a few minutes, not for long, just so the inside can cook a little bit. Then we can add the cheese. All right, guys, now it's time to add the cheese. Make sure no extreme red juice is coming out. That means the inside is perfectly cooked. So I'm going to add 2 slices of the cheese because I like this to be nice and cheesy. I'm using cheddar cheese, by the way. Just like this. Crisscross your cheese. Going to add a little bit of water on here to melt the cheese real quick. Cover it, and it should melt the cheese. All right, time to remove our burgers. So we're going to start by adding the onion bun, that's what you call it, down here. And then we're going to grab our burger, place it right on top. That looks good. That looks so good, okay? It's smelling amazing here. Now I'm going to add the sauce on top. You can always dip it on there as you eating. But tell me this doesn't look yum, man. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay. Now I'm going to add the other. Ooh, that is saucy right there. Now let me add a little bit more sauce, just a tad bit. Don't want to cover the burger too much, but that burger looks juicy, y'all. Super juicy. Now I'm going to add the other onion bun on top. Oh my goodness. Let's give this burger a try, shall we? Let's do it, because my mouth right now is watering. Let's give it a try. We can do it. Let's add some of the pepper. Oh, okay. I can get to it. Hold on. My mouth is too small. This is too good. I can't eat this on camera. It's too messy. It's too much, okay? Y'all don't want to see that. But this is definitely a 10 out of 10 recipe. Like, you got to try it. It's so good. Especially when you pour that pepper juice in there. Ooh, chef kiss. I'm gonna go dive in. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this one, because this one right here, I enjoy making it and I enjoy eating it. As you can see, give this video a like for me if you're going to try it. Leave a comment with your thoughts about this recipe. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.